What's up guys, Matt here. Today, we're unboxing HDi's brand new intercooler kit, designed specifically for the Suzuki Jimny. Let's open it up. Right away, you can see the HDi stickers and a complete set of installation hardware. The whole unboxing experience already feels pretty special. First, let's take out the silicone hose from the top layer. Yep, this is the same HDi hose we tested before. Now, lift off the top layer of protective foam, and here's the main event, the brand new HDi Jimny Intercooler, along with the second silicone hose included in the kit. At first glance, the overall quality looks really impressive. From the metal end tanks, welding details, flow design, both inside and outside, to the overall surface finish, you can really see the attention to detail. But of course, unboxing is only the first step. Follow me, because in the next video, we're installing it on the Jimny. Full installation coming up.